เอาสบายดีเด้อมื้อนี้กับพานางมาฉลองวันเกิดเนาะนาง Happy birthday Yep,สบายดีเบิดทุกคน Benjamin Happy birthday as well
Happy birthday, Benjamin.
We miss you
Miss you, Ben.
Yeah.
Wish you were here. You could get here. He's actually on vacation.
Yeah.
Tiffany and Adam Hadia.
Yeah.
Damien over there. Birthday too. Damien's birthday.
Happy birthday, Damien.
Birthday. Video.
Hi.
Hello
Damien.
17 I think Alright Big 17อาหารโต๊ะ
Ellison, she loves this.
How old is Elsa?
She's in, she just turned sweet 16 years old.
Yep. We wait for
Picture of me and my dad. That's like this in my
Hey, Alison
And it's so
Hey Ben
We are waiting for our beer.
Beer or
Should be coming.
Under 21, 200. And every day of the food.
Do you have our beers now?
You want to drop your bottle?
Then it's like,
Who you got now? Beer?
Beer.
Better we got beer too Of courseไอเพชรพี่นางเชียร์กับเจ้า You want beer too?
no.
Horses?มันมีระบบอยู่แล้วออเดอร์ก่อน Thank you sir
This is a hot.
Benjamin. Big Benjamin Tiffany.
Hello Tin Hello hello Yeah, yeah. Go back. Ini mas long nang birthday. Hello. Baris. Good.
That's not beer, right?
Happy birthday นาง
Thank you very much.
Happy birthday เดี๋ยวนี้
All right, whose birthday is it? Where do you want the cake? Do you guys have candles or no?
Okay, we have a candle.
Also เป็นน่ะ
There you guys go. Happy birthday. Thank you.
Okay, ready? You gotta sing or what?
It's okay.
Ready? Set the box. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Nang, dear Damon. Happy birthday to you. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4. There you go. All right. Be the best you can be, right, Alison? Take a bell.
One, two, three. You guys have same amount.
Thank you. Thanks for being here.
All right, we are here at Korean barbecue. Nang over there. Let's roll. Hello, birthday, Nang. Happy birthday. Hey,
Thanks, Dad. Wait, give me this.
there you go.
Hello, Dad. The man behind the camera in
Hey.
his bright orange retired cap. Hello, everybody. Allison. Bright colors,
Yeah.
bringing the life to the party.
Yeah.
We brighten up the day for everybody.
Yes, I agree.
Let's
We
roll.
brighten up the dog world.
Let's roll. Where's,
Yeah, we're all pretty dark. We're on our way to 85 Degrees Bakery. This is what the sky looks like. There's a giant pebble. Hello.
I got.
It is
Yeah, I got-
6/19, October 20th.
Yep. Happy birthday.
My
Yep.
dad has a 20. Oh, it died. Did it die?
Die? Oh man, no. See?
Okay, nice, okay.
Just
Oh,
like that.
okay, cool.
Yeah. Where those two?
There, beyond. So, what do you like to get at 85 Degrees Bakery?
85. I would like to get what is it called? Thai tea
Thai tea?
with boba
Oh,
and some what is it? Chocolate muffin.
oh, chocolate muffin. Is it good here?
Excellent.
Excellent, he says. All right, let's go in.
All right.
Here you go. Camera back to
All
you.
right. Lia cái lột đó. Yeah. Pick what you like. Lia cái lột nào. Yeah. Lia. Whatever you like. Sao biết? Lo mi. Yeah. Damien, all yours. Pick what you like. Pick for the kids too. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, click some. I know Ben will bring Ben. Oh, Ben didn't want anything. He didn't want. Yeah. Yeah. Auntie have a car.
If you order over there,
It's gonna be too long. Yeah.
walk around by the time you
Yeah.
check out. Can I show you one drink?
Hold on. Yeah, wait there. Hello, what you guys got? We got now.
We got creme brulee.
Yeah.
I think it's a cheese roll,
Yeah.
pork waffle,
Mhm.
sesame
I'm pretty sure it's for bread.
Yeah, this is the only one for me.
Oh, okay.
Bread and like this one?
Yeah.
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 You
All
didn't
right.
get anything?
No, we got enough. Yeah.
I saw the bowl.
Hey, what you got there? Oh, goodness.
I got a lot of goodies.
Oh, yeah. All right. That's good. Enjoy. We are at 85 degrees. Yeah, that's fine. Okay. Good. Alright. Yeah. Alright, we are here. Woo. Yep. Yummy, yummy. There you go. There go Nang, your video. There go.
Delicious. Look at that. Look at this. Look at the colors, the texture, the almonds, the powder.
It's a YouTuber from Hawaii.
Yes.
It's Lang's birthday and Damien's birthday.
Damien,
Birthday.
17.
Damien's twice. He's tall twice. She's thinking of it.
We're waiting for our drinks. Hello.
What's cracking?
What's crack-a-lackin'?
What's crack like?
Oh, man.
Put that on a t-shirt. What's
Oh.
crack-a-lackin'?
I don't There you go. There you go, drink over there. You guys got it? Nang, you got to drink yet? Yeah. Hey man, what's up, dog?
I think that's my drink.
Okay. Can you drink? Ready? Yeah. I think it's ready. Okay.
When you're not coming.
This is our drink from. All right, guys. Happy birthday to you. All right. Birthday to you. All right. Thank you. Let's roll.
Let's get a picture with them.
What up, Brandon? What's going on, man? Good, Brandon?
I got my 85 if you're not ready.
All right. All right. Thank you, everybody, for coming, okay? Enjoy. Until then, see you guys next time, okay?
Thank you.
All right.
Have fun tomorrow.
Yeah.
Enjoy your day off.
Okay. All right. I see you guys. Bye. Bye, Ben. I see you at home. Bye now. I see you. All right. Okay. See you at home. Okay. All right. Good.